What were you saying? I know you're sleepy because you didn't nap long enough, but tell us what you were saying. Uh-huh, and what else? You want to eat my fingers? They're clean. What else? And, in addition, what else? I know you're tired. Yeah. What else? Tell me more. Oh, you want finger? What else? Tell me more. What else? Yes, you're complaining. I know. I get that. Okay. What else? Wait. Anything else you want to say? No. Just, you want to eat my fingers? Okay, any more? Oh, you want to... Hello? Anything else? Uh-huh. Row. Kiss. Yeah, there we go. You feel better now? Kiss. Can you get your toes in your mouth? Can you get your toes in your mouth? You think you can do that? You want to show us how you get your toes in your mouth? Oh, there we go. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Sophie, kiss. 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 Like that? Uh-huh. What else? I know, it was no fun today to go to the doctor and have all that stuff done. Oh, see, but you're such a good sport. That's good. You're a good girl. Can you do kiss, kiss, kiss? Kiss, kiss, kiss? Bruh. Kiss, kiss, kiss? Mm-hmm. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Let's sign off. Say kiss, kiss, kiss. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Kiss, 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 kiss. Boo. Yeah.